Verifying your bank account on Swiftype is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to your account features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Swiftype account. Start by logging into your Swiftype account using your registered email and password. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Select Bank Account Verification. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option related to bank account verification. Click on this option to begin the verification process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use this to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the information. You may receive a confirmation email or notification indicating that your bank account verification is in progress. After completing these steps, you should receive a notification once your bank account has been successfully verified. If you encounter any issues, consult Swiftype support resources for assistance.